How to enable Messenger chat hits on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the top left corner you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Head towards this settings icon. Open it. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Go to the option notification and sounds. Open it. You will see the option of show previews. Toggle on for this option. Now messages will preview in alerts and banners when you are not using the app. Likewise, close this and open your settings app. Now scroll down and find the app Messenger. After you find it, open it. Now go to the option notifications. Check in for this option of lock screen, notification center and banners. Likewise, toggle on for this option of sounds and badges. Go to the option show previews and set it to always. And with that, you will be good to go. Now, whenever you receive message in your Messenger account, you will get notification in your screen. But in iPhone, there is no such feature to enable Messenger chat hit. So this was all for this video. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.